Looking to build the ultimate gaming PC this September? Stick around because today we're diving into a $4,000 setup that combines pure power with cutting-edge hardware, perfect for gamers who want nothing but the best. Let's kick things off with the beast of this build, the GIGABYTE RTX 5090 Gaming OC. This card is all about domination. With a massive 32 gigs of GDDR7 memory and a factory overclock that pushes performance beyond stock limits, you're getting not just high frame rates, but true next-gen visual fidelity. Whether you're gaming in 4K or even testing the waters in 8K, this card has the horsepower to handle it. Now, what really makes it stand out is the WindForce cooling system. It's built for silence and stability even when you're pushing the GPU to its limits. Compared to other flagship cards like the 5080, the 5090 comes out ahead with superior cooling, higher memory bandwidth, and more headroom for future games. If you're looking for a GPU that won't need replacing for a long time, this is it. Check the description below for product links and the best deals right now. Next up powering this beast is the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X 3D. Now, if you're a gamer, you've probably heard of AMD's 3D V-Cache, and this chip takes it to the next level. It's built on the latest Zen 5 architecture, giving you insane gaming performance and super low latency, especially in CPU-heavy titles like strategy games and shooters. This isn't just about speed, it's about smart design. That extra cache memory gives it a serious edge over standard CPUs, even ones with more cores. It pairs perfectly with our GPU and makes sure your games are running smooth, stutter-free, and ready for high refresh rates. If you're enjoying this breakdown, hit that subscribe button and drop a like. It really helps the channel grow. Holding it all together is the ASUS ROG STRIX B850A gaming Wi-Fi. This board brings the perfect mix of style and substance. You're getting robust power delivery for stable overclocking, support for next-gen storage and graphics with PCIe 5, and built-in Wi-Fi to keep your setup sleek and cable-free. It's got all the connectivity options you could want, tons of USB ports, fast networking, and reinforced PCIe slots for heavy-duty GPUs. It's also one of the best-looking boards on the market, with a sleek white and silver design that pops through a glass panel case. We're going big on memory with 64 gigs of DDR5 RAM from CORSAIR's Vengeance RGB lineup. RAM is where your PC keeps temporary data while it's running, and with this much speed and capacity, multitasking becomes effortless. Whether you're streaming, editing, or gaming with a million browser tabs open, this build won't slow down. Plus, the customizable RGB lighting syncs beautifully with the rest of your rig. For storage, we're using the Kingston Fury Renegade Gen 5 2TB NVMe SSD. This thing is blisteringly fast, with next-gen read and write speeds that cut load times to practically nothing. Games boot in seconds and transferring large files is a breeze. With 2 TB of space, you've got plenty of room for your entire library of AAA titles and more. Keeping the CPU cool is the Lian Galahad 2 Trinity Performance 360. This is a high-end liquid cooler with a massive radiator and 3 fans that keep thermals in check, even under heavy gaming or streaming loads. It's whisper quiet, runs cool, and looks fantastic with its modern design and RGB lighting. If you're overclocking or just want to keep your temps low, this is the cooler you want. Powering the entire system is the Superflower Leadex 7 1000W PSU. It's fully modular, so you only use cables you need, making your build cleaner and airflow better. More importantly, it supports ATX3 and has the wattage to comfortably handle the RTX 5090 and everything else. This isn't just about having enough power, it's about having reliable, clean power. Finally, we're housing everything in the Thermaltake View 380 TG ARGB case. With its sleek design, tempered glass panel, and built-in ARGB fans, this case not only looks amazing, but also provides great airflow and plenty of room for big components like our 360mm cooler and long graphics card. It's spacious, easy to build in, and designed to showcase your components with style. And there you have it, an absolute monster of a $4,000 gaming PC for September 2025. Every part was chosen to push performance to the max while keeping things cool, quiet, and stylish. If you're thinking about building this rig, check the links in the description for updated prices and deals. And if you like this video, don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and hit that subscribe button for more epic builds. Thanks for watching.